What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. It is February 5th, 2023, and my oh my, has it been a good time to be in crypto? Not necessarily mining. It's getting better. We're going to take a look at that, but yeah, a lot of stuff's doing good right now. So let me open up a new window here, and we'll dive into it together. Hope everybody's having a good evening right now. If you're watching this in the evening, if you're watching it in the morning, I hope you're having a good morning, all that kind of stuff. So let's start off with coin market cap. Right off the bat, we have a $23,373 Bitcoin, just up slightly over the last 24 hours, but it's like it seems to be like holding its own, and it's up 0.6%. So a little over 0.5% in the last week. So it ain't explosive growth, but it's growth. So by the way, this is not financial advice. I'm a guy in a plastic bubble. We're just taking a look at that stuff. That's all. Ethereum $1,664. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know why I even talking about it anymore. We don't mine it. We don't need it. Going further down the list, Dogecoin, 9.5 cents. It's up 7% in the last week. Dogecoin's absolutely killing it. Shiba Inu, up 25% in the last week, ladies and gentlemen. It's up 6.5% just in the last 24 hours. It's at $14.9 per million tokens, so it's up pretty substantially. Litecoin is actually down ever so slightly in the last day, but it's still up almost 4% in the last week, at $98.63. Ethereum Classic, here's another one, $23.75, up 1.5% in the last day, 6.6% in the last 7 days. Now, a lot of these coins aren't necessarily the most profitable or valuable coins to be mining, but they were seeming to be pretty profitable coins to be holding. Now, on the mining side of things, if you go over to what to mine, nothing looks great except if you look at Flux, especially Flux through NiceHash. So, where is it here? What's it got me at? 3070. There we go. So NiceHash, Zellhash, which is Flux, it's only losing 2 cents a day, but that means it's almost like straight up break even, almost. Direct mining Flux loses 3 cents a day. There are some more obscure coins that are on smaller exchanges that can make more money, but a lot of those I don't normally like to mess with because by the time you mine up a substantial amount, it's hard to unload them because the smaller exchanges don't necessarily have as much liquidity. But if you're willing to roll the dice on that, you can, and maybe that'll be a whole nother like topic. But I feel like, you know, a week ago or just even a couple weeks ago, we were talking about like each card was losing 5-10 cents plus or more a day, and it looks like we're right around the corner from cards actually starting to break even, or sorry, break into profit per day, if the market keeps trending up. That's the big thing at a residential rate. If you have less than a 10 cents per kilowatt hour rate, say if you have like a commercial 5 or 4 cents or even 6 cents per kilowatt hour, you're making money right now. You're not making buku, but you're making money. And a lot of the other coins are following suit. So it looks like it's not a bad time. Now, I was curious, is the price of graphics cards slowing down? Like, you know, a 3060 Ti, for example. If you go look them up, buy it now, lowest price. What does it take to buy a 3060 Ti? That's parts only. That means they're broken. So pre-owned. Ooh, what is this? It's an OEM, $300. It says pulled from Alienware, individually tested. Okay, so that's a good working card. $300 for a 3060 Ti. It's not bad. So the prices of graphics cards are still, in my opinion, pretty low. So if you're gonna buy one, it's not a bad time to buy one. But it's a bad time to buy a graphics card expecting it to be profitable. We're on the cusp. And I tell you what, if we do go back into a profitable like bull market scenario, which we may not, this is all just speculation here. $300 3060 Ti's will be a thing of the past again. A lot of people are like, oh, everybody's on the 40 series now. There's no way 20 series or 30 series is going to go back up in value. Well, ladies and gentlemen, during the last bull market, as soon as the daggone supply dried up, everything goes up in value. All the way back to RX 470s, RX 570s, everything goes up in value if we're making money. So just think about that. Just food for thought. Now, am I turning on more rigs as of right now? No, but I am going to be experimenting with some other coins. Before I talk about that, I want to get my T's crossed and my I's dotted, however that saying goes. So look out for that video. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe I'll give it maybe a couple days. So maybe not tomorrow, maybe the day after. But look out for that, and hopefully we can actually mine something and unload it and make some more money before the liquidity dries up on these smaller cap coins. That's the risk that you run into. But yeah, other than that, ladies and gentlemen, we're heading in the right direction. That I'm feeling good about it. I hope you guys are feeling good about it. Please comment down below. Let me know. Are you just sitting there waiting with your hardware? Because I have sold off some of my hardware. I've been selling off Polaris cards, so my 570s, 470s, and I have been selling off my 10 series NVIDIA. I still have my 20 series, I still have my 30 series, and I'm ready. I'm ready to fire them back up if we start making some good money. And I'd love to hear you guys' thoughts as well. Do you still have it? Did you unload it? Are you selling them now? Nobody knows. Everybody knows. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for coming out. Look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow night. And adios. Take it easy. Bye.